program was started at a national level to address the issue of the shortage of skilled technical workers for manufacturing and production.
The Advanced Manufacturing Technician program is a dual college program where you're going to a technical college and we get something like motor controls and going to a college like NSU and getting the engineering courses from there. We also have a manufacturer that we work at. For example, I work at Alliance Compressors and I started off as a maintenance technician and I worked my way up into more project management.
AMT, or Advanced Manufacturing Technician, is a great partnership between employers, CLTCC, and Northwestern State University. Students who participate work for pay 3 days a week, they go to classes 2 days a week, and in just 6 semesters or 2.5 years, they're going to graduate with a nationally recognized FAME certificate.
Students are able to apply their financial aid, including their TOPS or TOPS Tech Scholarship, when they participate in this program, all the while earning great starting wages. And in just 2.5 years in the program, they are going to earn an associate degree in Industrial Engineering Technology from Northwestern State University and a technical certificate from the Central Louisiana Technical Community College.
As an instructor, seeing the students learn to develop themselves personally, to be thinkers, communicators, team players, I really enjoy it.